In this video, I will answer you how to add Grammarly to Gmail. So firstly, open any web browser, then type Grammarly. Press enter. Now click on this official link, grammarly.com. Now in here, you need to sign up your account with Grammarly, or you can add Grammarly to Chrome. This is the extension. You can sign up your account with Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. And complete your sign up procedure. Once you completely sign up, so click on this Grammarly icon and log in your account with your Gmail. Then open your Gmail and you can connect spelling and grammar mistake, and Grammarly extension will help you. So this is the easy and simple steps to add Grammarly to Gmail. Just you need to add a Grammarly account to your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.